In 2025, tennis footwear has evolved to meet the demands of faster, more dynamic play. Today's top tennis shoes combine cutting-edge materials, improved stability, and enhanced cushioning to help players move confidently and comfortably on all types of courts. Whether you're chasing down a drop shot or sliding into a forehand, the right shoes can elevate your performance and reduce your risk of injury. This year's best models stand out for their balance of durability, lightweight construction, and foot support, features that cater to both recreational players and serious competitors. In this guide, we break down the top 5 best tennis shoes of 2025, showcasing what makes each pair a top choice for players seeking peak performance. Asics Gel-Resolution X. The Asics Gel-Resolution X tennis shoes are designed for players who demand stability and comfort during intense baseline play. Priced at $150 on the official Asics website, these shoes incorporate advanced technologies to enhance performance on the court. A standout feature is the FF Blast Plus ECO cushioning, derived from ASICS's running shoe technology and tailored for tennis. This foam, combined with 4-foot GEL technology, offers improved impact absorption and a softer feel during foot strikes. The Dynawall technology extends into the heel, providing added stability during lateral movements, while the Dynalacing system ensures a secure fit during dynamic actions. Durability is addressed with the AHAR-PLUS outsole rubber, enhancing the shoe's lifespan, and PGUARD technology, which increases durability in the forefoot area. The two-piece midsole design contributes to more stable landings, crucial for players who frequently change direction. Notably, the Gel-Resolution X offers a more spacious fit compared to previous versions, catering to players who prefer additional room. This design choice, combined with the shoe's advanced features, makes it a compelling option for serious tennis enthusiasts seeking both comfort and performance. Overall, the Asics Gel-Resolution X stands out as a high-performance tennis shoe, blending cutting-edge technology with thoughtful design to meet the demands of competitive play. Adidas Cybersonic 2. The Adidas Adizero Cybersonic 2 tennis shoes are engineered for players seeking exceptional speed and responsiveness on the court. Priced at $180 on the official Adidas website, these shoes incorporate advanced technologies to enhance performance. A standout feature is the energy rods in the heel, providing lightweight propulsion and enabling rapid changes in direction. This technology, adapted from Adidas's running shoes, makes its debut in a tennis shoe with the Cybersonic 2. The dual-density light strike midsole offers a balance of lightweight cushioning and on-court responsiveness, ensuring players can move efficiently and precisely. The upper is constructed from engineered mesh, offering targeted support and ventilation. Additionally, the ADITUFF abrasion zone, made with at least 50% recycled materials, enhances durability, particularly for players who engage in aggressive movements. The Adiwear outsole features a herringbone pattern, providing a balance of traction and durability suitable for hard court surfaces. However, it's worth noting that the shoe runs slightly small. Adidas recommends ordering a half size up for the best fit. Overall, the Adidas Adizero Cybersonic 2 stands out as a high-performance tennis shoe, blending innovative technology with thoughtful design to meet the demands of competitive play. Its combination of speed, stability, and comfort makes it a compelling option for serious tennis enthusiasts. Lacoste A-G-LT 23 Ultra. The Lacoste A-G-LT 23 Ultra tennis shoes are a premium choice for high-performance players seeking agility, stability, and comfort. Priced at $170 on the official Lacoste website, these shoes are the result of a collaboration with Grand Slam champion Daniil Medvedev, reflecting both style and functionality. The upper features an engineered Leno-weave TPU mesh, providing enhanced fit and breathability. This design ensures your feet remain cool and comfortable during intense matches. The TPU heel shank stabilizes heel landing through to the midfoot, offering added support during lateral movements. Underfoot, The Lacoste super responsive foam technology in the midsole delivers maximum energy return, aiding in quick transitions and explosive movements. The outsole incorporates line grip technology, a grip-enhancing rubber compound that provides multi-directional traction, making it suitable for various court surfaces. Durability is addressed with a rubber outsole and a TPU crocodile branding on the quarter, adding both function and signature Lacoste style. The shoe weighs approximately 425 grams, balancing lightweight design with robust construction. In summary, the Lacoste AG LT 23 Ultra tennis shoes combine innovative technology with sleek design, making them an excellent choice for serious tennis players aiming for top-tier performance on the court. Mizuno Wave Enforce Tour AC. The Mizuno Wave Enforce Tour AC tennis shoes are engineered for advanced players who demand stability, durability, and energy return during aggressive baseline play. Priced at $139.95 USD. On the official Mizuno website, these shoes incorporate cutting-edge technologies to enhance on-court performance. At the core of the Wave Enforce Tour AC is the Mizuno Energy Foam, delivering exceptional cushioning and energy return for quick transitions without added weight. The Mizuno Energy Core further enhances comfort and responsiveness, ensuring a plush underfoot feel. The Mizuno Wave Plate disperses impact energy across a broader area, providing a stable platform and superior cushioning. The upper features a combination of CPU and mesh materials, offering a balance of durability and breathability. The Dyna-Heel lock system improves the fit and alignment of the ankle and heel, enhancing stability and maneuverability during lateral movements. The Do-Rubber outsole is designed for durability, supporting forceful rotational movements and maximizing stroke power. This outsole comes with a 6-month warranty, underscoring its longevity. Weighing approximately 13.4 ounces, size 10.5, the Wave Enforce Tour AC strikes a balance between lightweight design and robust construction. In summary, the Mizuno Wave Enforce Tour AC tennis shoes offer a blend of comfort, stability, and durability, making them a compelling choice for serious tennis players seeking high-performance footwear. Yonex Eclipsion 5. The Yonex Eclipsion 5 tennis shoes are engineered for intermediate to advanced players seeking enhanced stability, comfort, and performance on the court. Priced at $145 on the official Yonex website, these shoes incorporate advanced technologies to support dynamic movements and quick direction changes. A standout feature is the newly shaped Power Cushion Plus technology, which improves shock absorption by 28% compared to conventional materials. This is combined with thermoplastic polyurethane support in the outsole, enhancing energy return and lateral stability. The integration of TPU parts acts as a barrier during court slides, ensuring stability and quick recovery. The Eclipsion 5 features an updated one-piece outsole with a denser sole pattern, increasing the contact area with the ground for improved stability and control during movements. This design allows players to quickly change direction and make fine adjustments on the tennis court. Durability is addressed with the durable skin construction, incorporating thicker materials in high-stress areas to enhance foot stability and shoe durability during intense footwork. The upper is made of synthetic fiber and resin, providing a balance of support and flexibility. The shoe weighs approximately 12.9 ounces per size, 26 centimeters, offering a lightweight yet robust build. In summary, the Yonex Eclipsion 5 tennis shoes offer a blend of advanced cushioning, stability, and durability, making them a compelling choice for serious tennis enthusiasts seeking high-performance footwear.